Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today we're going to learn something very useful, some couple of alien tricks today. Okay, so what's the story today? I'm going to teach you something beautiful, something very nice. 2-3 secrets I'll teach you. Okay, now this is something which you require to use your brains. Okay, for example, everybody knows the command offset, right? Okay, let's suppose this is make current. So the current layer is A700 whatever. Okay, I'm going to create a circle which is of 1 minute. I would like to show you something beautiful. Okay, let's say make a circle of this layer. Okay, and then I change the layer to some XYZ layer, let's say this one window. Okay, now my question is, when I do offset, listen to the question clearly. When I do offset, okay, of this circle, which layer will come? In the sense, the new object will be created in which layer? That's the question. Okay, would it be created in the current layer, that is A314 window, or the layer which is A700, the orange color? Either way, I can play both games. Okay, the answer, I want you to think and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, I want you to think and give me the answer in the comment section. But anyway, I'll give you the trick. If it's like, when you want to play with John, and John also wants to play with you. Okay, so this is the question which John was waiting for. If suppose you said, no, John, I would love to have the new object, okay, the offsetted object in the layer which is currently on. Okay, this is one option. And the other option would be, I would like the object to have the same layer of the object which is existing. This is like, you get the picture, which is already there. Okay, I teach you both the tricks. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a copy of this, move it to the side, and then we move forward. Okay, first thing is what I need offset. So click the command offset. Okay, then what you do, right click and click layer. Okay, source means what? This is the source object, isn't it? If I click source, let's I click current now. If I click current means what? This is the current layer. Okay, and let's say put a distance of, let's say 20 units or 20 units. Select the object. Now what will happen is, I don't remember what I clicked. Yeah, let's say current layer. Current layer was selected. Okay, so current layer means new object will be in this color. Okay, because the distance is very small, let's make it 200. Okay, so you can see the distance. Okay, so you see this was before 700 and the new layer is 314. Okay, the next option would be, John, okay, this is good, this is excellent, but I want the new object to be in the same layer of the source. Yeah, what you do, click offset, right click, layer, not current, click source. Current means what? Current layer that is on. This is current layer that is on. Let's click source. What's the distance? Let's say 200, but we don't want to do cheating here. Click and okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. We see each other in the next class. Bye.